Hi guys, so we are going to talk about the takedown jobs now. This is something very simple now that we've watched all the other things that we can do with our crew app and also with the routing and dispatch option. This will be something very simple. So what we have to do first, of course, we have to come to dispatch and routing and look for a takedown job. You just come to the job queue, look for the takedown job you want to work on, and add it to your timeline. This is something I already did. I have the job ready here. I'll show you. This is what I've selected, Camila Rosa. It's been dispatched already, but you can check on it. It's assigned to me. I'm the only one that's going to be working on this job. Here are the different segments it has on the different items to work with. Here's the list of items that actually I have to pack from the job. So this should be already listed on my crew app because it's been dispatched. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I don't see anything, but I'll just go ahead and sync it, and there we go. There's Camila Rosa. So very simple. We go ahead and check in, and we go ahead and clock in so we can start our day. Okay, come to the inventory and just review what you see, what you have there. Okay, this is what you'll have to be working on. It's the same thing. You click on an item and you complete it. Once done, you keep going with all the other items. Okay, and then to pack the items, there is on the fourth option, tasks, there is the option that says packing, and there are the items that you need to pack. You just go ahead and select if you have a small box, medium, or large box, and then you go ahead and select all the items that you are packing. Okay, and then you confirm them. And then you can see I'm sorry, you can see all that you've packed. Okay, we'll go back to the inventory, and this is just to show you, like I said, this is just an example. I'm gonna complete them all just to make sure that the job's done. Okay, so once we finish here, we'll just go ahead and clock out. This will give us the option to check actually the time that we worked on the job. This can be edited. Let's say I actually spent 2 hours on this job, so I'll go ahead and save that labor code for 2 hours. I'll go ahead and also confirm the code. Okay, and the job's done. If you see the job's gone, it's no longer on my screen, so we'll go back to the dispatch and routing screen to find out what happened to that job. Okay, I'm going to refresh this and I'll scroll down, and there's the job. Okay, so the job is on my timeline. I'll double click on it and let's see what it says. Okay, give me just a second. It's still loading. Actually, it's here. Okay, it says finalized already. This is Mrs. Rosa's takedown job that we finalized. I'll show you. We scroll down. It says on the job fields that it's been finalized. It says on my role that I'm done. My status is finalized as well. Here's all the job segments that I work with. And here are the items that I packed. You see? It says pack now. If you scroll down, you can also see the labor items, which is my time clock, right? You see that here's the 2 hours that I added. Okay? So everything seems to be good. Everything seems to be nice. It's finalized already, and that's pretty much how it works. Thank you very much for your time, guys. I hope you find this useful. If you have questions, if you have ideas, something that you would like to talk about on the next video, just send me a help desk ticket or an email. My email, seniorconsultant@inmove.com. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.